What's up, guys? Got another video for you. This one's going to be the Smith & Wesson M500 revolver. This one's in real life, this one is a huge gun. Therefore, the mini in your hands, it looks pretty big, almost like the size of an actual, like a 38 or something. Maybe still smaller, but still it's pretty big. But anyways, there's two kinds of these two out there, of the minis. There's this one and there's this one, and I'll show you the difference between the two. Okay, this one's a little more expensive than this one. You'll see these out there, but a lot of times, I'm not sure, but I think this one only comes in one color, I think. I don't know, I could be wrong though. But anyhow, one way to tell the difference is this one has the markings. See, Smith & Wesson, it's got the markings on the handle and on the gun itself, and then if you turn it around, well, on the, it's got the markings. This one doesn't at all. There's a little difference in the functionality too. Now the trigger pulls. This one, I forgot if it was you pull it. Yeah, you push it forward to get it out. And this one, I think you pull it back to get it out. Also, once you got it out, you see the difference? See, this one you push to get the rounds out. This one, it doesn't move. So you just kind of gotta flip it. That's the main difference between the two. Other than that, I mean, that's pretty much it. I feel like this one, the build quality is a little better too. Oh, oops, no wonder. Yep. To change the barrels, it's pretty much the same on both of them. So I'll just show you on this one. You gotta open, I forgot what this part's called, but anyways, you gotta open that part. You turn this and pull out. Then the other one, the longer barrel, same thing. Turn it, put it on. And then boom, there you go. This one also says 500 Smith & Wesson Magnum on the barrel, on the long barrel. This one, it just says Magnum M500. That's another difference you'll be able to tell when you see it in pictures. If it says Magnum M500 like that, it's the lower end one. Also, by the way, the higher end one, this piece, the sight at the front sight, is a plastic piece. Separate plastic piece. The one on the low end, it's metal. It's all part of the barrel, so you can't remove it or switch it out or anything like that. But on the higher end one, I mean, it comes with extra ones, so if you break it, then you can put new one on there. Some of them come with extra ones. Some of these little miniatures are, it's kind of hit and miss when it comes to how many rounds you get and how many little extra springs and stuff you get. It's hit or miss. It's hard to tell. You could be buying from the same company and buy two of the same gun and get two different amounts of stuff. So if you're wondering about that, that's pretty much how that is. And again, the market is it's a weird market for these little miniature guns, which kind of makes it more exciting to me, in my opinion, because, you know, it's almost like a treasure hunt. And, you know, when you find one that you wasn't able to find, it's just it just makes me happy when I find one that I haven't been able to find. And they kind of trap me, because once I do find one that I couldn't find, I buy it right away, just in case that thing goes extinct, because these things they do go extinct. They'll go extinct for a couple years and then come back, and some models never come back. So anyways, that's the M500 Smith & Wesson, 2 different versions. Just a heads up too. This one I couldn't figure out how to get the grip off. This one was easy to take off. The reason why I wanted to take it off is to rubberize it with my plastic dip. Anyways, so thanks for watching. Hope you guys liked it. I know I rambled. I probably ramble a lot in my videos. That'll get better as I get more experience. But anyways, if you like my video, hit that like button, please, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And also tell your friends if you know other people that might like these little miniature guns and would like to see what's all out there. All right. So thanks for watching. Peace.